Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2023 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 ZR2. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 6.2-liter gas engine, has all four-wheel drive capabilities. We do get a tonneau cover here, you got a tailgate step and a powered tailgate as well. Rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, you get a Bedliner under that tonneau cover as well. Side bed steps. Nice looking rims. We got gripped running boards on either side. Side view camera. Blind spot detection. With a remote start, which is perfect for the cold winter months. With block heater, red recovery hooks, front view camera, and that nice Chevy grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray leather interior. Got some nice accents. With the yellow stitching, we do get more storage here, as well as on that seat. Cup holders and arm space if we fold out the middle one. Floor mats with carpeted interior. Plenty of door space in the back with the leathering on the door. Got some storage underneath as well. Cup holders. We got heated middle seats, or heated rear seats. USB-C, and rear vents. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front. An upgraded Bose sound system. We got powered windows, mirrors, locks. You got power folding mirrors. Memory seating for up to 2 drivers. Parking brake, drive modes, trailer mode, lights, 4-wheel drive, and your heads-up display, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 102,312 kilometers. Got this nice leather-up steering wheel, paddle shifters with collision, cruise control, heated steering wheel, voice phone, toggle-free screen, volumes modes behind the steering wheel, and looking here, you got your RPMs, digital speedometer, all your usuals with your audio, navigation, phone, settings, information, and to my right we got our gear select, storage, you got a nice little phone slot here, cup holders, all the usuals. Nice leather up center console with tons of storage below with some outlets for charging. Engine start stop with trailer brake. Climate controls up front with dual climate. Heated front seats, cooling front seats. Some outlets on the side here. You got some storage above. We do get secret storage here as well. Garage door transmitter. Our features for our powered sunroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle, and we do get a lovely powered rear window opener. We do get our SOS and OnStar services with our big infotainment system that is going to be mostly powered by Google. Lane centering, park sensing, auto stop, auto start, your tailgate opener, hazards, traction, hill, rear locking diff, and all locking differentials. And looking at our big screen here, you got voice controls here and tone haul mode. Got personal profiles too. Boat trailer connected. All that jazz. How to connect it. It's actually pretty nice to have. Got your navigation in here as well. Just letting it load. Just all your normal Google Maps stuff you will find in here, which is all pretty easy to use. Search recent saved. It'll give you like your nearest grocery stores. There we go. It's just going to load our results. So here you go, you got all our local grocery stores. And here we got our audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM. Right now we're just on SiriusXM. Pretty easy to use. Google News, Amazon Alexa. And you got your home screen here as well. So you got your climate controls up here or down there. Totally up to you and what you want to use. I'm going to go home real quick. Wi-Fi hotspot, Amazon Alexa. News, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay capabilities, Play Store, and we got our nice 360 view of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EE34422B, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.